Hi there, I'm Jason Apter, the CEO of Sannova Analytical, a boutique CRO focused on both bioanalytical and analytical testing services to support drug development and manufacturing. CROs play an extremely critical role in the overall drug development process, starting with early phase discovery, helping find potential targets and characterizing molecules early on within the drug discovery process, moving into preclinical, where we're supporting the safety and efficacy testing prior to taking a drug into the clinic and putting it in humans, and then ultimately supporting companies on their successful targets that are moving through regulated clinical trials. And finally, really supporting the manufacturing of those drugs that will be used in both preclinical and clinical phases to ensure that the manufacturing processes are done in a safe and consistent way. There's an array of challenges within the industry that CROs can address. The three that we would probably highlight are first and foremost, the pace of innovation. And while this is an extremely exciting and great thing within science, this pace of innovation has resulted in just more challenges and complexities in how you go about evaluating both the safety and efficacy of drugs. Today in the clinic, over 50% of the clinical candidates are new modalities and not conventional modalities. So again, I think this pace of innovation is really driving new complexity. Secondly is the evolving regulatory landscape. Since 2000, in the past 20 years, there's been thousands of updates and additions to regulatory guidance, and that's just in the US with the FDA alone. So that evolving landscape of regulations continues to challenge and increase the requirements that drug developers have to go through. And then thirdly, I think is the ability to leverage the vast amount of data that's being created with all of the new tools and techniques that have come into the market, along with just the new types of drugs that are being looked at. And I think the exponential growth in data and what to do and how to really leverage that data to get better results is another challenge that we can address. Ultimately, our clients are the ones that are going to dictate the pace of drug development. But by providing support and a quality customer experience to our clients, we're able to support them and help them either find candidates that are going to fail quicker or get them the data that they need to continually progress at pace their candidates through the clinic. At Sannova, we really focus on three things: our value proposition: quality, speed, and flexibility. And to enable that value proposition, we're investing in technology that will really enable our workforce to deliver the experience that we would like to, and begin to structure and govern the data that we're creating for our clients. And then secondly is an investment in science. As novel modalities come and more complexities begin to exist within new modalities, making sure that we have the scientific depth and breadth to support these new complexities in the evolving landscape of therapeutic pipeline is a way that we're going to provide our clients with the right support and the right experience to help them succeed or fail faster. Managing risk and maintaining quality is an absolute focus at all CROs. Essentially, we look at two things. Our product is data, and our biggest asset is our people. So ensuring that from a data perspective that we're focusing on data governance, data security, and an overall cybersecure ecosystem as we move to digitalization is one of our top priorities. From a people perspective, really our investment in our employee experience and making sure that we're providing an environment and a culture that our employees are proud to be part of and they want to stay part of, and also investing in the development of our employees so that they continue to grow within the space do things quicker, more productive, and have more depth in and scientific capability to be able to deliver to our clients. I think AI has tremendous promise for drug development and drug discovery. The whole industry today is really at an infancy in the application of AI, but there's a tremendous amount of investment. I believe $25 billion of investment went into AI technologies from large pharma in 2022 alone. And I think the combination of an ample pool of data and a growing pool of data, coupled with new technologies that are able to look across those data sets from an imaging perspective through to conventional numerical data, the opportunity for AI to help find candidates quicker, help find candidates that are going to be a higher probability of success through the clinic, and then accelerate the evaluation of clinical work from a safety and efficacy perspective. AI has the potential to completely transform the industry, and I think folks that are going to be successful are preparing themselves to be AI ready.